Welcome to the Profit Platform section of this presentation, the last video in this series, lead generation, cash flow, and wealth building. We've talked a lot about wealth building principles. We've talked a little bit about lead generation and cash flow. We're going to hit those topics again. Here's what I want you to understand. If you're building an opportunity right now, some kind of opportunity you're passionate about, could be in the health and wellness field, it could be in any market. You need to learn marketing if you want to be successful. You can't have one without the other. Unless you're going to be a superstar network marketer, you have to learn marketing. You have to learn to attract people to you, and it's not that hard. There's fundamentals, and you can use other systems in order to do it. Another thing to consider is if you're in some kind of network marketing opportunity right now that you're passionate about, we're really moving into an age where it's the era for multiple income streams because of attraction marketing and the ability to build a list and build relationships with that list through means of automation, elements of leverage and automation, where you can just make a video and send a link out and build a relationship with thousands of people, or write a little email that talks about something that you know people are struggling with and then leading them in to sign up with something with a link that would provide value to them. We're in an era where you can create multiple streams of income. Bob Proctor, he's pretty well known around the industry, created this, or was one of the participants with The Secret. He talks a lot about that. He's created lots of multiple income streams in network marketing. So that's something to consider as well. Now, if you don't have an opportunity that provides leveraged income, you can look at the opportunity that we shared with you with Unify, where you can add that to your marketing funnel and have multiple streams of income. Or not include Unify in what you're doing and take advantage of other aspects of what we're providing here. So we're going to talk about the now money principle. We're going to talk about marketing systems that generate cash flow and the compounding revenue principle. And I touched upon these things earlier, but we're going to hit them again. And then if you want to learn more about what Profit Platform provides, you'll find a button on this page that can take you to get a more thorough introduction to it. I'm going to go over the important pieces. Quick disclaimer and reality check, and really not so quick. There's a few slides here because I want you to really understand this. We've covered this a few times, but I got to do it each presentation. It's actually educational if you take this in. It's really what you want to look for when you're looking for opportunities for people to share with you that there's no guarantees. I mean, it's just really, really important people understand that. Our primary objective is to give you cutting-edge tools and training to help you generate leads and cash flow with online and affiliate marketing. We will also share principles that can be applied to create wealth. But this does not imply using any system or resource that I share guarantees you will generate cash flow or wealth. Your results are 100% dependent upon your productivity, personal efforts, and many unpredictable variables. Profit Platform or its members may refer you to opportunities like we did with Unify that can be used to build what we describe as residual or leveraged income, a component that we really encourage you to put into a funnel, a marketing process, a marketing system, so you have that additional leveraged income building up. But your participation in such opportunities does not guarantee you will generate any income. Your exact results are 100% dependent upon your personal efforts, productivity, and other unforeseeable variables. Profit Platform or its members may refer you to affiliate programs, offering you the potential for referral commissions, which can be used to generate what we describe as now money, very important strategy, or immediate cash flow, to offset your marketing costs or reduce financial struggle often associated with a new home-based business. Now that's the strategy, but participating in such programs does not guarantee any income. The results are always 100% dependent upon your personal efforts, productivity, and other variables. Okay, so now that that's clear, let's look at the slide that we had showed previously. It's so important to return to this. The now money principle. First of all, if you're marketing a business opportunity of some kind right now, in network marketing or whatever, or you're selling coaching services, or you're selling products, or you're selling a book, or you're selling events, whatever you're doing that you're marketing, you should be applying the now money principle. Otherwise, you're just going to be struggling. Without the now money principle, it's nearly impossible to do advertising unless you have a high ticket and you really perfect that. High ticket meaning, a couple, even $5,000 or in that range or more. Then you can perfect that, but it's very challenging for most people to be able to do. this is a much easier concept to be able to sell something just enough to do a little bit better than what your advertising is costing you. Now, if you're not advertising and you don't plan to, you're going to use free marketing methods, which we teach as well, you still need to put money in your pocket. You need to be bringing in multiple streams of cash flow so you get out of the struggle mode, because you just can't do well in business when you're constantly worried about money. So this is what people are applying. They're matching an audience. You've got to have an audience, obviously, to buy. They're matching a hungry audience with an offer to buy right away. As soon as somebody enters their email, they're putting an offer in front of them that's valuable and that is specifically designed. Maybe it's not what you're passionate about selling. Maybe it's not something you created. Maybe it's just an affiliate product, and we can show you how to find those affiliate products. But it's specifically designed to provide value to the same audience that would be very interested in what you're offering. But perhaps what you're offering, and in most cases this is the case, what you're offering requires more education, more trust to be established, and it isn't really designed for an immediate sale. And so you find an offer that's really designed to be able to, it's really simple to understand, it's already been created. Now that brings in money right away for you to pay for your advertising, put some money in your pocket, and now to the same list, to the same audience. Now what you have to understand is now they trust you more because they paid some money and they got a good value back, and now they're seeing you as a valuable contributor. People out there that are marketing, giving stuff away for free, what they don't understand is by never putting a sales offer in front of your audience, or not putting enough sales offers in front of your audience, you're really just kind of showing them that you don't believe in your value. Think of the people that you really respect out there that are online, that have a strong presence. They're selling stuff all the time. And sure, there's a good way to do that. There's a bad way to do that. There's a sleazy way to do it. That's not what we're talking about. Think of the ones that you really respect, from Tony Robbins or whoever it may be. They sell stuff all the time. You need to, in order to be seen as somebody to purchase stuff from. So you've got to put a sales offer in front of people right away. It has to be lining up a very hungry audience with that offer so that it puts money in your pocket right away, covers the cost of your advertising, gets you out of financial struggle. Even if you're using free marketing methods, that's just more money in your pocket from those efforts. So you're not wasting your time. And now you're building your list, you're building your audience, but you're getting paid to do it on the upfront. And then now you can present your primary offer to them. That's the concept behind the Now Money principle. Have to apply it. Now, for those that need a refresher on what a marketing system looks like, you've got a lead capture page. We can either show you how to design one of these systems entirely if you want to, or you can just use a system like Profit Platform to jump right in. But you get a lead capture page and you're driving traffic to it. There's free marketing methods. There's advertising. You're driving traffic to it. You're getting the lead. Now, with the Now Money principle, you're immediately sending them to a sales page and putting that offer in front of them to buy. It doesn't have to be an offer you created. Just getting some money in your pocket, providing value to them so you can build your list for free. But auto emails start going out. Those auto emails, again, our system provides those auto emails for you. You could also write your own that send them to more value, more landing pages, ongoingly, to provide ongoing income streams. It can send them to your primary offer. It can send them to a webinar replay that you did on your opportunity or that somebody else provided. It can send them to videos where you share your coaching services or your products or your book. And you can also find more affiliate products that other people created and use these emails to send them to that. And you're getting ongoing income streams. It's so important to have that in place, to design or use a system like Profit Platform that's doing all of this to create both immediate now money and ongoing continual revenue. And here I say compounding revenue because that leads us to a topic that I'm going to get into in just a minute, where you can have an affiliate network, a group of people selling your products or even getting commissions when they're selling other people's products. We'll talk about that affiliate network for compounded revenue in a minute, which is massive income you can generate. You should at least be thinking about that on the front end because it's so much money and so much more value you're bringing to the marketplace. So a robust marketing funnel can look something like this. This is another way of looking at it. You've got a Now Money offer for immediate income coming in to offset your advertising costs, to get you out of financial struggle. And then you can offer a residual, or we call it a leveraged income opportunity, like Unify provides, where it pays like through a network marketing model, and maybe you have an opportunity of your own. A lot of people are really excited about the CBD oil products. You might have some kind of product you're really excited about that provides a residual income opportunity. But the problem is, if you're only focused on promoting that, it doesn't provide enough now money. It just doesn't pay enough up front. It's not designed to. It's designed for delayed gratification, to make walk-away income long-term, leveraging the efforts of others. But if you only focus on that and you don't have a now money component, most of you are going to get burned out before you ever develop a significant income. And then, so you got the now money component, you got residual income built in, and maybe even multiple residual income opportunities, like you could add Unify to what you're doing in your funnel, because you got your list growing, and you can teach you how to just keep providing value, stay connected to your audience in high leveraging, ways, high touch ways that don't take a lot of time for you. And then you've got continual, I was just describing this, you've got continual offers you're putting in front of them. So the same list. So you're making so much more money from the same list. Now let's talk more about the compounding revenue principle. This is the pinnacle. This is the highest level. This isn't something you have to do, obviously. You could do extraordinarily well with what I've already covered. But here's where, if you do have your own products, or you can create your own products, and we are designing programs to teach people how to create their own products. You don't have to do that, but if you want to do that down the road, you've got the same email list, you've already got a relationship with that list, so that's something you could do. And as you learn more, and if you hang around us a while, you're going to learn a lot of skills and a lot of things that you could teach to your list. And if you create your own products, you can provide, and we'll show you how, provide affiliate commissions to them for selling your product. And you can set up a lead capture page and a sales page for them to use, or copy for them to use to sell your product for you. And really what we're doing with our system at Profit Platform is setting you up where if you want to do that down the road, you're all set up from the beginning to be able to move and transition into that when you've got good money coming in, from selling the now money product, a residual income product, your own products, maybe that your own opportunity that you're already promoting now, other affiliate products that you're selling, what I was talking about before. And when you get to that place, we have our system designed, and we train you in such a way where you would automatically, a year, 2, 3 years from now, be able to move into this if you wanted to, or jump into it even sooner if you wanted to, where you have affiliates either selling products you create and you're paying them a commission, or you can even have affiliates selling other people's products and you're getting a commission out of that. So that's where the real leverage is. And anyone that you see, from Brendan Burchard to Marie Forleo, even Tony Robbins, Ty Lopez, even Bob Proctor with The Secret, like anybody and everybody that Dan Locke, they're all incorporating affiliate marketing. Sam Ovens, whether they show it on the front end or they're only doing that on the back end with people that come in through their system and then they offer it to certain people, they have this compounding revenue principle. We call it compounding revenue because when you've got a small army and a growing army of people out there selling your products, or you have an affiliate network, a growing number of affiliates selling other people's products, and you're set up in such a way, as we can show you how to do, where you're making commissions when they're selling, you're getting a compounding and exponential growth in the amount of revenue you can make in the same amount of time. This is how people are claiming to make $10,000 a day, $20,000 a day online. They've got affiliates selling their products. We can set you up for that as well. You don't necessarily have to start there, but you all should start with the now money principle built in, a residual component or multiple residual components built into your marketing, and just in a system, and then continual ongoing offers. And of course, you put your products that you're passionate about selling in here as well. You match your audience up, and you choose affiliate products for your now money. You choose residual opportunities, to make leveraged income, and the continual ongoing income, the affiliate products that you choose to offer your list all matches up with whatever it is, the topic, the subject of what your primary program or primary products or book or events that you're selling now. You see? And so you have a lead capture page that you're driving your traffic to, traffic being advertising or free marketing that you're doing. We teach you how to do that. You're generating leads with an audience. Again, this slide, and that's generating leads with an audience that's interested in the now money offer, that's interested in the residual income offer, that's interested in other offers that continue to, there's lots of solutions, there's lots of issues, problems, topics people want to learn. So when you're attracting when you're attracting this audience with this lead capture page, we're helping you identify like who's a hungry audience that matches up with different affiliate programs that are out there. We show you how to find those. That matches up with the same audience would be interested in what you're already passionate about offering and selling now, that you've been challenged selling. That now will be simpler because you've got it all lined up and it's all automated. You've got automated emails going out to them, and this is all sending them to sales pages and landing pages that lead them to more sales pages for multiple income streams. Are you getting this? It is so powerful. If you don't do this, you will struggle. If you don't do this, you will never really get off the ground. This is what everybody's doing, one way or another. I focus on the fundamentals. It gets really confusing. You can spend $5,000 on this product from this guru who may very well know what they're talking about, and then spend $997 on another product and $997 on another product, and go to an event and spend $2,000 on flight and hotel in that event, and come back and have all this stuff in your mind and be scattered and overwhelmed. That's what a lot of you have been doing. But in all of that, you're not seeing the fundamentals, so you feel like it's all this stuff you've got to do. We focus you in on creating the marketing system structure, or using ours, just plugging into ours, or both, plugging into ours and getting it started so you can keep it simple on yourself, start generating leads, start having a now money principal paying you immediate cash flow, start having a residual income component with Unify built into it, or multiple ones that you could add to, promoting to your list if you already have a network marketing opportunity you're promoting. We show you how to do all of this with the system we use, or we show you how to build it focusing on the fundamentals. So you're not scattered and feeling like there's so much to learn and so much to do. It's about setting up a system. It's about setting up a system. The Profit Platform lead generation and sales conversion system lets you leverage our online marketing expertise and use our systems to increase your lead and sales conversions to get leads, cash flow, and sales for your current business, for Unify, if you want to build a leveraged income with Unify, to be able to generate now money by leveraging affiliate marketing and having ongoing commissions being generated in the same funnel from the same marketing, because you've got a system and a structure in place. That's what Profit Platform gives you. Click on the link to learn more about what's in Profit Platform and how all of that works, or how we can teach you how to create your own system, or both if you want to. There's also a button on the bottom of this page if you want to go ahead and get signed up with Unify to self-manage your own portfolio, for those of you who want to do that. Speak with an investment advisor if you have questions about if Unify is right for you. All right, so you see two buttons on this page, one to learn more specifically about Profit Platform, and if you want to get started with that, with creating your own system for now money, residual money, and continual ongoing money, while also giving you a growing audience to sell whatever products you're passionate about selling to, or whatever opportunity you're passionate about selling right now. Click the button that you see below to learn about Profit Platform or to get started with Unify. I'll see you soon.